Hello, and welcome to the Benchmarking versus Benchmarketing session. My name is Felix Baum, and I work at Qualcomm, where I'm responsible for the AI software products. Now, whenever you find yourself building mobile devices of tomorrow, enhancing our lives by bringing innovative IoT devices to the market, or helping to reshape automotive industry, I see more and more cases and applications that are transitioning from kind of a traditional implementation to those based on machine learning algorithms. But how would you know if the application you're trying to build or use cases you're trying to develop will actually be able to run on a particular mobile phone, like the Snapchat application I have here on the slide, or smart kiosk, or maybe a fitness mirror that you might be designing? Well, most of the companies, and Qualcomm follows them as well, would publish release notes, product briefs, and roadmaps touting the magical TOPS number. This trillion operations per second number is simply calculated by the number of multiply accumulates multiplied by the frequency that the hardware IP block, a particular hardware IP block, can run at. After that, hardware manufacturers make claims that use cases for particular Bluetooth speaker, for example, would require half or one TOPS versus something from the mobile phone where you need about 15 versus something that you need for autonomous driving with a 350 TOPS, so to speak. But how does it actually relate to the things that you're trying to do, to the application that you are trying to build? Let's take a look.